What if I told you your hand mixer might be sabotaging your baked goods? We put 15 top models through the ultimate stress test, whipping, kneading, and blending everything from dense cookie dough to delicate meringues, and the results will stun every home baker. One highly rated mixer smoked and shut down under pressure, while our number 3 powered through thick dough like it was nothing. If you want a hand mixer that won't quit when you need it most, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Hand Mixer. Make your baking experience hassle-free with the Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. With 250 watts of peak power, 6 speed settings, and a quick burst button, this hand mixer is perfect for mixing, whisking, and folding. The built-in bowl rest feature ensures that your countertop stays clean, while the snap-on storage case keeps your beaters and whisk organized and easily accessible. The mixer includes a set of traditional beaters and whisk that are easy to clean. Get ready to whip up some delicious treats with ease. Number 2. KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid hand mixer is designed to meet your mixing needs with its 5 speed settings. Whether you're gently folding in nuts or whipping up fluffy meringues, you can choose the perfect speed for your task. The lockable swivel cord keeps the cord out of your way, allowing you to mix without hassle. Plus, you can easily switch out the included accessories with just one hand, making your cooking experience more efficient. The stainless steel turbo beater accessories ensure thorough mixing and are dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your cleanup routine. Number 3. KitchenAid 9-Speed Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 9-Speed Hand Mixer. Perfect for bakers of all levels, its standout feature is control. You get 9 different speeds, starting with a soft start to gently incorporate dry ingredients without creating a cloud of flour. We've also focused on convenience. Notice the clever cord lock, it secures on either side for a tangle-free experience from any angle. The handle is designed for a soft, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. And cleanup is a breeze, simply press this button to release the beaters instantly. It's the thoughtful details that make mixing effortless and mess-free, helping you create perfect results every time. Number 4. Cuisinart 9-Speed Handheld Mixer. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Handheld Mixer is a must-have kitchen appliance that comes with a variety of features to make baking and cooking easy and effortless. With 220 watts of power, it has an automatic feedback feature including smooth start that eliminates splattering. It has a one-touch speed control with 9 speed options and a 9-speed LED display. The mixer is easy to operate with a simple on-off button and dishwasher-safe parts, which can be stored in a sturdy snap-on case. The package includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks, spatula, and an instruction/recipe book. It is BPA-free and comes with a limited 3-year warranty. Number 5. KitchenAid 6-Speed Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid hand mixer, model KHM6118, offers top-notch features. The flex edge beaters provide thorough mixing in less time. You can choose from a wide range of speeds to match your mixing needs precisely. The integrated storage clip keeps all accessories neatly organized. The Pro Whisk attachment is perfect for whipping egg whites or cream for desserts. So, which hand mixer will you trust with your next baking masterpiece? Let's mix it up in the comments. If this baking-saving review gave you confidence, whip that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing stand mixers. All our top picks are linked below. Happy baking!